What's up, YouTube? This is me. I was gonna play some. You told me I was gonna play some gaming, so I am. Okay, first match. We're gonna do the King of the Ring. This will be a 16 singles. You know what? Should I randomize?
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, this is my brother. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I just want 16. Okay, we got. Oh, no, these suck. 16. Why don't they give me some good ones? All they have is sucky ones. Oh, no, I'll do the stuff on. No, I don't want 4. I want 16. Okay, so first up, who should I pick?
I don't care.
CM Punk and Brock Lesnar. Oh, nope, that's Brodus Clay. Hold on. And the next match, we could use Upgraded Superstar. Okay. And we will be using gonna have Matt Hardy against who was his last match with in WWE?
Who?
Matt Hardy. I think it was Alberto Del Rio. Yeah, it was Alberto. Okay. And we'll have Cody Rhodes taking on Wade Barrett. Where's Wade Barrett? There he is. And we'll have. Let's pick a created superstar. Tilt the camera up. Oh, okay. Is the camera angle all fine? Okay, cool. And we'll have.
Do I have to hold it on this long? It's really hurting. It's cramping.
You can pause it if you want to. No, not the big one.
Which one?
Little one. Here, we're gonna pause for a second. Hey,
This will be. See you for part 2.